Remnants of now tropical depression Laura could be impacting parts of the Ohio Valley. American Electric Power wants to remind residents to be ready. AEP says its crews and contractors are standing by in the event of severe weather close to home this weekend. They also have had some crews headed to the areas heavily damaged by the hurricane. After the weekend, AEP will see if they have even more resources to send.
Just prepare, flashlights, batteries, all those sorts of good things. Make sure your smart devices are charged, and that way you can keep track of storm updates from Appalachian Power.
AEP advises to download their free app to restore outages and track repairs, to report outages and track repairs. There, you can also sign up for mobile alerts to receive notifications when the power goes out or your service returns.